How can you make a navigation form in Microsoft Access? If you are also searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. After watching this video, you will be able to create a navigation form in MS Access. It's too much easy to create the navigation form in MS Access. So hoping that you will watch this video until the last and you will be also able to create the navigation form in MS Access. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, to create a navigation form in MS Access, just you have to create a few forms before. Then after that, you can use those forms in your navigation form. And you have to use the macro also. So without any late, let's move on to our computer screen.
So guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how can you make a navigation form inside the MS Access. It is one of the useful, and if you are also searching that kind of video, and then you are in the right video. After watching this video, you will be able to create navigation form in Microsoft Access. So now you can see it here is I have a table, okay, and inside I have few another useful tables also available inside my database, and here is only one query also available, and there is a form also available, okay. So now you can see here there is the first one is the sales order, second one is also the sales order 1, and the sales order 2. I have the 3 different forms. So I want to navigate in only one form. So in this case, I'm going to create a new navigation form inside Microsoft Access. So for this one, just I'm going to inside the create, then I'm clicking in the blank form. So now you can see here I have created a blank form. So in this side I have all my tables, queries and forms, but in this side I have field list, but in this time I will not use the field list. That's why I'm closing the field list. So now you can see here here is some controls available inside the form layout tools, okay. So for this one, just you have to choose the navigation control, right? So it is near the web browser control. So in this time I'm just using this one, navigation control, and I'm just dragging this one like this. So now you can see here I have a form, right? So in this top side there is add new, and this is the window where I will display my all the another forms. So for this one, just you have to go in the arrange, okay, and after this just you can choose the tabular mode, okay. So now you can see here it's giving me the different kind of options. So after this just you have to drag this one in this side also, you can drag, okay, and I'm also dragging this one. And for this one I'm going to inside the design, and you have to turn on property sheet, and you can make it the vertical. So this is the span type, okay. So in this time, okay, so I'm just using this one here, and I'm just giving the sales order, okay, and again I am giving sales order 1, and again I'm just giving sales order 2. So these all are my navigation button, and inside here I am just using the close, okay. So I think I should to use this one in this side, and I'm just using this form in this side, okay. So I'm just using this one in this side. So this is the display form, okay. Now you can see here, okay. So I'm just going to inside the design view, and now you can see this is the unbound form, right? So I'm just going to in the arrange and I'm just clicking the remove layout. Okay, and I'm just bringing this one this side. So this is the size of my form. So I'm just closing the property sheet also. So I'm just bringing my form in this side. Okay, and I'm just resizing it. So I'm just bringing this one here. Okay, so this is my form. So I'm just changing the back color. Okay, yeah, like this. And in this side also I'm just changing all the buttons color. So I'm just making this one from the quick sorry first of all I will increase the size of those buttons. So I think I should to give the height I think 2 is too much bigger, so that's why I'm just making it 3. Oh sorry, I'm making it 1. I think 1 is perfect for me. And the width sorry, width should be 2. Okay, so this is the button for me, right? So again I'm just going here and I'm bringing the size this one in this side. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just changing the color also. So I'm just giving the quick style, or you can use the fill color also. So I'm just making it red and the font color should be white. Okay, and I think I should to change this one by using the quick style. Just I'm using this one like this. So for this one also I am using the quick style. Okay, so those are the buttons. Okay, so I think I should to increase the font size also from here. So I think I should to make it 16, and I think I should to make it bold also, and I can change the font size also. Okay, so in this side I think I should do okay, you can choose the special effect also from here. So inside here you can change the fill color. I think in this I'm just using this one. Okay, so this is the so I'm just creating another labels from here. So I'm just giving the sales order navigation form, and I'm increasing the size also from the format. Oh shit, I think I should to increase the font size from here. So I'm making it 23. Okay, and I'm changing the font color also white bold. Okay, so it is too much easy. So if I click inside the sales order button, the sales order form should be open. So for this one, just go to here and click in the data, and it's asking me the navigation target name. So in this time I am just using the form sales orders, and for this one I am choosing the form dot sales order 1, and for this one I am just using the form sales order 2. Okay, and for the close you have to use a macro. So for this one, just go to inside the event and just click in the on click, and you have to choose the macro builder and click in the OK. And after this, just you have to choose the close window, and it's asking me the object type. So I'm using the object type it's form. Okay, so I'm just saving which form should be closed. I think okay, just wait for a moment. I'm just saving it and closing it. Again I'm saving it, and I'm giving the sales order navigation. Okay, and I'm just saving it. uh, so after this I'm just going to again here, and I'm changing the object name. should be the sales order navigation. Okay, and the save should be the prompt. After this, I'm just saving it and closing it. So I'm again this one saving it. So if I went to inside the view and form view, now you can see here, this is my final product, right? So if I click inside the sales order, it's giving the sales order. If I click in the sales order 2, sorry 1, now it's giving me the sales order 2. Sorry, sales order 1. So again, if I'm clicking in the navigation from sales order 2, now you can see it's giving the sales order 2, and if I click in the close, my form is closing, right? Okay, so I'm again opening this one. I think I should to resize this one. From the design view, I am resizing it, my form size. So I think my form should be a little bit bigger. Okay, what happening here? So I think I should increase this one from here. So now you can see it's increasing, right? So if I went inside the form view, now you can see here it's still not giving the proper result because I make the small window previously. That's why it's showing me like this. But hoping that you get few ideas to make the navigation form inside the MS Access. And if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment section. That's it.
Hoping that you get few ideas about the navigation form in Msaccess. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to make a separate video, and if you get a few quality content from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on my YouTube channel, and share this video to among the people who are trying to create the navigation form in Msaccess. And I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.